Today I'd like to show you a part of my painting here. I will talk about this foreground mountain and how I painted it. I put this mountain study together to show you the techniques and to share that it's okay to take 3 hours. That's how long this took for me to do, to just enjoy the process and to be present. This mountain study is for the beginner oil painter. So we're using just a few tools and few colors as well to accomplish this. It's not necessarily about the tools themselves. It's more about the practice of the distance and the foreground of the mountains. So with that said, let's get into the painting. So a little bit more white to make the contrast. And let's do our breaking. Let's start here. Oh, here we go. So I'm just getting the excess paint off my knife first. And we'll do, so wipe it off, and let's go back here and work in this a little bit. You see the paint went on really thick here. So might have to redo that one. There we go, that's a little bit better. See how it's blending, it's helping with the value degradation. So if you do have a spot like this, just come back with a clean knife and just work a little bit. Just kind of move the paint around. So I'm trying to find here, pull it out, I gotta pull it out flat and then cut in just a little bit of paint on the knife this time. It does take a little bit of practice though. I'm just trying to find my highlights here. And I think that the paint underneath might be a little too thick. We'll find out. So I have a ridge, and then I'm going to flatten it out here. See, I have less paint here, it's breaking easier. Wipe the knife off, reload. Need some more pink. So the pile I had here with the white, it's a little bit more pink. I'm trying to get some of this pink here onto these other peaks. I think this peak will be like this, straight on. Let's use the smaller end of the knife here. Something like this. I got some paint on there. There we go. Let's bring this around here. More snow. Might need some more white, a little bit more white. Looking for something that's not totally white. I want my braking to go this way. This looks weird. Let's see what happens here. Might have to change something. All right, let's play with a little bit of shadow here. I'm going to use this shadow color. A little bit too much. There we go. That's better. Get the paint off and then move it around. Oh, I like that. I picked up a little bit of that white. Just let that happen. So I'm trying to load the knife on this tip here towards the top instead of the bottom. I'm just kind of pushing in a little bit differently. Just kind of experiment with that when you do yours. I'm gonna swish this one. Something like that. Wipe the knife off. The same thing here. A little bit more on the edge. Just kind of play with this a little bit. Trying to get this hard line out. I'm going to come back to this. Let's keep working here. Changing the angle. Come forward. Come back to the light. Dark. Thank you for watching the rest of this video. If you'd like to see the rest of this painting and of course the beginning and all of the steps in between, you can click on the link below in the description. In this video I go deep into mixing colors. I talk about values and what they are and all the beginner stuff that is necessary just to practice the technique. We'll go a little bit into composition, but not too much. Alright, see you over there.